In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Discord embeds in Replit. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own project without getting lost. The general idea is to open your Replit workspace, find the correct file, and then place your embed code where it belongs so it can work properly. First, go to Replit and sign in if needed. Once you're inside the platform, look through your projects and select the one you want to work on. This is important because the embed code needs to be added to the correct project, especially if you have multiple repls saved in your account. After that, open the project. Give it a moment to fully load so you can see the coding workspace clearly. You should now be inside the editor where your files and tools are visible. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the workspace. This area helps you manage parts of the project and access useful tools while you're editing. From there, click on the library icon. This is a helpful place to check project resources and make sure you're working in the right environment. Now, there's an important distinction to understand here. If you're trying to paste a third-party embed code into an HTML project inside Replit, you do not need to do anything complicated. You simply need to open your index.html file and paste the snippet directly into the code editor. In other words, the embed code goes into the HTML file itself. So next, click on index.html. This file is usually where the main structure of your web page lives, and it's the correct place for HTML-based embed snippets. If your file list is collapsed, just expand it and select index.html from the sidebar. Once the file is open, scroll down to the section where you want the Discord embed code to appear. Then paste the embed code directly into the editor. Make sure you place it in a location that makes sense within your page layout so it displays properly when the project runs. A helpful tip here is to paste carefully and avoid accidentally removing any existing HTML tags around that section. Even a small formatting mistake can affect how the page renders. If needed, you can always undo and try again. And that's it. You've opened your Replit project, located the HTML file, and pasted in the Discord embed code. From here, you can save your changes and preview the project to confirm everything appears the way you expect.